Hello, my name is Mike. Click on the button, give me a like. Now, if you've been following my channel, in my most recent video, you watched me, kind of struggle, but eventually get this fine old Buick Special into my work area so that I could, try to make a car out of it and evict a whole lot of, small furry creatures from every nook and cranny. And in the last episode, I realized the engine was locked up. So I told you guys, come on back for the next episode, because what I was going to do is put some of that acetone and transmission fluid concoction into the cylinders and allow it to soak to free up those rings and pistons. So I did just that.
Somewhere in a dusty, dirty back alley in western Arizona, not far from historic Route 66, is an old farm trying to cram square head into a round hole. To work on anything, just as long as it's got at least two cool wheels.
Then, since I knew I'd be waiting around for a while for that stuff to soak in, I figured, 2 or 3 days, I figured I'd, take a crowbar and, pry on the old flywheel, see if I get that engine to rotate. So just for shits and giggles, I raised it up in the air just to look at the undercarriage, because I hadn't looked under the car, see what kind of condition it was in. So I did just that. And you'd be surprised what I just found. So, while I'm waiting for the magic juice to, loosen up the pistoles, I thought I'd put it up in the air, just take a look around inside. And as I suspected, the motor mount is missing completely on this side. But something more interesting than that is the fact that, wedged between the engine block and the flex plate is part of a camshaft. And that tells me that I'm not going to be able to free that engine up easily. Yeah, we got some serious issues here. So it's time to start hunting down a new motor. Well, anyway, that's it for this episode. Just a quick update. The next episode is going to be, it's going to be a while, because I got to find an engine. And some of the local junkyards I've been kind of scouting around. It's the same problem as always. I don't have any money. Yeah, there's a couple of them out there I could use. I was even thinking about going to a different engine, like a later model big block 430, 455. That would be fun. So I got my eyeballs peeled, and I'm, looking around, see what I can find and what my wallet will let me do. So it may be a while before you see episode 3. Anyway, thanks for watching.